This column serves two purposes. First, it serves as an attractive gateway to the Paver patio, and second, it supports a metal pole, which creates a mounting point for a string of cafe lights. The column begins as part of the low retaining wall that borders the patio, so the first few blocks are interwoven with the wall for both strength and aesthetics. The pattern used with the blocks will depend on how large you want the base of the column to be. Here we're using the large rumblestone blocks, which are 7 by 10.5 inches. It's important that for each new row, the blocks overlap the seams of the previous row so that the structure retains its strength as it goes up. That means there should be no vertical joints that extend from one row to the next as the column grows taller. Construction adhesive between the rows helps hold each block in place, and when the column reaches the desired height, it's capped with thinner, large pavers, one of which has a hole drilled in it for the metal pipe that will support the lights. After the pipe is inserted through the hole, that paver is lifted up and Quikrete fast-setting concrete mix is poured into the void around the pipe. With the pipe perfectly plumb, we add water to the mix to solidify it and secure the pipe.